Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the failed with the error HTTP service error in Slack. This error usually happens when Slack cannot properly connect to its server because of network issues, blocked requests, corrupted cache, or temporary outages. First, restart Slack in your computer to refresh the connection and clear temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection and make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is stable and working properly. A weak connection can often trigger this issue. After that, turn off any VPN or proxy if you are using one because they can sometimes block or interrupt Slack requests. Now clear your Slack cache. If you are using the Slack desktop app, clear the app cache and relaunch it. If you are using Slack in a browser, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard, then select Cached Images, Files, Cookies, and Other Site Data. Click Delete Data, then update Slack to the latest version. After that, try another network or use Slack in a browser if you are using the app, and vice versa. Finally, check Slack status by going to slackstatus.com and make sure it is running. If Slack servers are down, you may need to wait until the issue is fixed on their side. In most cases, this error disappears once the connection stabilizes or Slack services recover. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.